Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have June's Lookfantastic beauty box. Yes, that's what this is. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received June's Lookfantastic beauty box for this month, and I'm super excited because it is in a new container. Lookfantastic did send me this for review, so thank you so much, Lookfantastic, for sending me your amazing beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this does normally come in a small box, and normally you open it and it's in a small box inside, and that's what I'm used to. So I opened up the outside box that has my shipping label and everything on it so I could have just the beauty box ready, and I saw this in my hand and I was like, is this the beauty box? Is this the beauty box? And it says in gray, I don't want to show you what's inside yet and ruin the surprise, but right there engraved like in the bag, it says Lookfantastic beauty box. And you guys, this is my favorite color. Holy moly. So I'm going to show you this way so you don't see what's inside just yet. So first off, this bag is the cutest bag, and I'm going to say from all of the different subscription boxes that I have got, and if they have their own bag to put them in, this is a way better quality, and it looks like it just looks like an all-around better bag that you can use for like really anything. So it does have the opening right on the front and on the back to make it clear so you can see everything that's inside, which I think is amazing, especially for travel or anything like that, or to store things in, then you know what's inside. I do like to use these little bags. So anyway, enough about the bag, which I love the bag. Let's get into the inside. So there's two zippers that actually both move around, which I think is so cute, and it opens just like that. Like the whole thing opens up, you guys. So let's go ahead and get in here. There is a card at the bottom, so let me pull that up. So it says, Lookfantastic beauty box. To our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you all love the products in this box. With everything that is going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we'll bring back the printed version as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link so you can click to read the magazine online. That's amazing. So if you are a subscriber, they'll send you an email link so you can see it, downloaded printable version of the magazine. So that's cool. So when you open it up at first glance, this is what's inside. I'm so excited about the bag. So the first item right on top is by Molten Brown London. This is Coastal Cypress and Sea Funnel Bath and Shower Gel. And I believe I've received this brand in a shower gel before, and I really, really liked it. So I'm so excited to get another one. Oh, that smells so good. Coastal, that does smell like that would be like coastal vibes. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this because I love shower gels. So here's the first item right there, and it smells really, really good. So there's that. Next we have is a sunscreen, very high protection, fragrance free. Yay, this is amazing. I might even toss this in my golf bag or in my glove box because you never know when you need sunscreen. It's very good to protect your skin from the harmful rays. So that is really cool, especially now that we're kind of going into like the spring, summer months. Sunscreen we're going to start seeing in boxes. So that's really cool, especially that's small. You can even drop this like in your fishing stuff if you go fishing, or if you go camping or anything like that, you have your sunscreen. So there's Sconce Sunscreen. It looks like it would be SPF 50. It says 50 plus UVA UVB protection. So there's that. Next we have is an everything mask, the color locking multitasking deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. Oh, so that's for your hair. Josh Wood color. So this is going to be, yes, apply to damp washed hair, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. I love getting hair masks, so I'm super excited about that. Yay. And let's see if I can, it's sealed, but I'm still gonna sniff it because I love good scented stuff. Let me see. Ooh. So it looks like this, like that. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it does smell good. It smells nice and clean, not too like fruity, so that's good. Oh, that smells good. I can't wait to use that in my hair. If you guys follow me, you know I love hair masks and sheet masks. I love it. So next we have is a lip protection plus care, and it has SPF 30 in there as well. So these two are definitely gonna go in the same place because you gotta protect your lips too. So here is a lip balm, which is a sunscreen lip balm, which that's amazing. Again, especially for this time of year. Then we have, it says GLOV, and it looks like this is a brush right there. So you have a little handheld brush. Ooh, I've never tried anything with those little, ooh, that actually feels nice. What? I've never used a brush like that with those type of bristles. So there's that. So you have a little handheld brush. And then, what did I say I also like? Here's a sheet mask, and it's in my favorite color. It matches the bag. It almost blended in with the squigglies. And this says Calming Mask Aroma Blend. Ooh, I can't wait. I'm gonna drop that in my refrigerator. I always would forget to put them in the refrigerator first because it'd be the spur of the moment if I actually had time to sit down for 20 to 30 minutes, like, oh, face mask. So now what I've been doing is leaving like 5 different masks in my refrigerator at a time. And then whenever I get that little wild hair at my ass to go and put a face mask on, I already have them chilled and ready to go because they feel amazing when you first put it on from the cold refrigerator, especially in the summer when you're hot. So I can't wait to use that. So that is everything that came in this beauty box, you guys. You have a face mask, you have a hair mask, you have a shower gel, which that is a good size as well, and it smells so good. You have a sunscreen, you have a lip protection sunscreen as well. You have this really cool brush, and don't forget this new bag. Like, this is super cute. So see, it's all clear and you can toss all your stuff in there and you know what's inside. And of course the color is gorgeous. I don't know if this is like a one-time thing just for June, if this is a new thing, if they're gonna keep it the same color, I'm not quite sure. Let's definitely check out next month and see. But if you wanna get this June box, order quickly because they do sell out fast. So they do have them still available. I will link them all down below if you want to check them out. This is super cute. So if you want to know a little bit more about Lookfantastic, I'm going to let you know about the pricing and all of that now. Again, this was sent to me for review. But if you do a month to month, it's $19 with free shipping. If you do a 3 month at a time, it brings it to $18. If you do 6 month at a time, it brings it to $17. And if you do a whole year at a time, it brings it to $16 a month. That's it. $16, free shipping. You get a really neat bag, or before it was a box that you could use for storage. So even if they do go back to the boxes, you still can use those for storage, but I really like this. And then you get all these amazing products. So you can choose from 1, 3, 6, or 12 month rolling subscription plan with free international delivery. Free international delivery. Monthly billing, your subscription will auto renew at the end of your chosen subscription period. You can opt out of your account at any time. You receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60. And when I did open this and I was like, whoa, is this something new? And I tried to see if it said anything online. It did say that this month's box, I believe it said it was a value of $74. So that's amazing. But you're gonna get at least $60 or more in every single month. A beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trends, beauty brands. Discover the Lookfantastic Beauty Box today. And again, I will link them down below. You can check them out and get it for as low as $16 a month. And at most, if you do month to month, will be $19 with free international shipping. And you'll always get 6 different products in your box every month, or I should say in your bag. I love this bag. So thank you so much, Lookfantastic, for sending me your beauty box. You guys definitely, if you want, check them out. I will link them down below. I cannot wait to use this. And I think I'm gonna stick these in my, my golf bag or in my car, because you never know if you're out and about and you need a little sunscreen. So those are perfect size to put anywhere or for travel or anything like that. And I'm really digging this little brush, and I like the way it feels in my hand. I like that. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, do you get Lookfantastic Beauty Box? Have you seen it before? Do you want to get it? Are you on the fence with getting it? What did you think of this month's theme? What did you think about this new bag? I am totally, if you can't tell, I'm loving this bag. I hope they stick to these. I don't even know, but I'm hoping so. So let me know what you thought of everything this month. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.